In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document using Docusign Esignature. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to sign any document electronically by the end of this tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to Docusign's official website. This platform is renowned as the #1 solution for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so you're in good hands. Once you're on the home page, turn your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the login button. Click on this to be directed to the login page. If you already have a Docusign account, you can simply enter your credentials to gain access. Otherwise, you'll need to set up an account, which is a straightforward process. Follow the prompts provided, making sure to verify your email address once you've registered. Now that we're logged in, let's proceed to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage and organize all your digital agreements. The layout is intuitive, with every section clearly labeled for ease of navigation. On the home page, look for a tab or section labeled Agreements. Click on it to view your list of documents awaiting action. These are the agreements that you can review, sign, or send out for others to sign. With the Agreements page open, find the document that you need to sign. It's important to take a moment here to double check that everything is correct before proceeding. You're looking for a document attached to a request that's pending your signature. Once you've located the correct document, click on it to open it. Next, you should see an option explicitly labeled Sign next to or within your document. Click on this option. You will be taken to an interface where you can review the full content of your agreement before applying your e-signature. Be sure to go through the document thoroughly to ensure all information is accurate and as expected. When you're ready to sign, you'll have the option to create a new signature or use a previously saved one. Docusign offers a variety of signing styles, or you can draw your own using your mouse or touchpad, whichever feels most comfortable to you. Once you're satisfied with your choice, apply the signature to the designated spots within the document. After you've signed, you'll be prompted to finish the process. Double check everything once more and then click the Finish button. This action completes the signing process and your document is now legally binding. You'll receive a confirmation email with a copy of the signed document for your records. And that's it, you've successfully signed a document using Docusign eSignature. With this newfound skill, you can handle agreements and contracts with ease and confidence, all from the comfort of your own device. Thank you for watching, and happy signing.